Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The Best Bubble Water Table is probably one of the most exciting outdoor toys for toddlers. This Little Tikes water table promises hours of fun with its interactive features, allowing kids to explore the magic of bubbles and water play. From pouring and splashing to creating a bubbly frenzy, this toy is designed to spark creativity and provide endless entertainment for your little ones during those sunny afternoons. Number 5. Little Tikes Frog Pond Water Table. This fun water table is perfect for toddlers. It's designed for kids aged 24 to 36 months, providing hours of entertainment. Kids can launch the included frogs onto the lily pads and the center tower. This interactive feature encourages hand-eye coordination and imaginative play. Turn the spinner to power the lazy river, creating a fun water flow. This feature adds an extra element of excitement to the water table. The water table comes with 5 frogs, 2 floating lily pads, and a fill cup. These accessories enhance the play experience and provide more ways to have fun. This product is proudly made in the USA by Little Tikes. The company is located in the heartland of America, ensuring quality and durability. The water table can hold up to 7 gallons of water, providing plenty of space for splashing and playing. It's the perfect size for little ones to enjoy. What we like. This water table is all about launching frogs and creating a fun water flow. It features a spinner that powers up the lazy river effect, keeping the water moving. If you have toddlers who love simple, engaging water play, this is a great choice. It's perfect for little ones who enjoy cause and effect activities. What people say. Was easy to put together, toys were fun for him to play with, the colors all look good on the product, sturdy and all around a good product that provided our son with a long playtime outdoors. Perfect height for young toddlers. My son has so much fun flinging the frogs into the water. Outdoor entertainment for days. Super durable and easy to clean. Easy to fill and refill the water, keeps children engaged, sturdy, easy to assemble, plug stays in place and works well, can add other toys to it for fun. The catapult took a little bit for her to learn, but was still very fun in the meantime to use. After about 3 weeks or so, she finally grasped the idea of how to properly use it rather than just hitting the stuff off. She loves it more now. Great size, spot to add an umbrella, which is handy. Number 4. Little Tikes Waterfall Island Water Table. This water table is designed for multiple kids to play at once. It has multiple activities and plenty of space to splash and have fun. It features an overflowing waterfall and a splash slide down the mountain. There is also a cave tunnel for creatures to swim beneath. The table includes 2 palm trees with spinning treetops. There is also a kid-powered spinning wheel for making waves. It comes with 2 cheerful narwhal figures and 1 very friendly shark figure. Kids will love playing with these fun characters. The set also includes a toy treasure chest and a water scooper for more watery fun. This will provide hours of entertainment for your kids. What we like. This water table offers a large waterfall and multiple play zones for several kids. It includes spinning elements and fun figures like narwhals and a shark. If you are looking for a water table that encourages social play and imaginative scenarios, this one is ideal. It provides plenty of space for multiple children to enjoy together. What people say. The water table is the perfect height for my 1-year-old. The kids love the different stations and the bubbles are a huge hit. It has provided hours of fun for my kids. Number 3. Little Tikes Fish and Splash Water Table Full Set. This water table is all about fun. It comes with a fishing game, allowing kids to catch, collect, and count the fish before they release them. Fill the fishbowl until it tips over. The water will splash down in a wave, providing endless entertainment for your little ones. Use the launcher to fling the critters onto the spinning lily pad in the center. It's a great way to develop hand-eye coordination. The set includes a fishing pole, 5 floating critters, a water cup, and a fishing net. It has everything needed for a fun-filled day. This water table is designed to be both fun and durable. It's perfect for kids to enjoy hours of water play. What we like. This water table includes a fun fishing game, encouraging kids to catch, collect, and count their fish. It features a splash effect when the fishbowl tips over. If you like a water table that combines play with learning, this is a great option. It's perfect for kids who enjoy interactive games and counting activities. What people say. It is sturdy enough that littles can pull up without pulling it over, but light enough to move in or out of his play area even with water in the trough. Easy to assemble, great quality, perfect for warm weather. The table comes with a fishing pole, 5 water animals, 2 fish, 1 turtle, 1 crab, and 1 frog, a plastic net, and a plastic bowl. Each animal has a different color and a number on it. The fishing pole has a plastic hook on it to catch the critters. My son likes to spin the spinner on the side of the table and thinks it's funny to use the launcher to send the critters flying the air. There's a plug so you don't have to tip the entire table over in order to drain it. Number 2. Little Tikes Rocky Mountain River Race Bouncer. Get ready for a splashing adventure with this inflatable water bouncer. It features a climbing wall, 2 slides, and a refreshing splash pool. Kids can climb up the center inflatable rock wall. Then, they can slide down into the splash pool. The splash pool provides a fun way to cool off. A surprise dump bucket adds to the excitement, pouring water on the climbers. This bouncer can accommodate a maximum of 4 kids. The combined weight limit is 350 pounds, ensuring safe play for everyone. The product size is 161.00 inches long, 169.00 inches wide, and 103.00 inches high. It provides plenty of space for fun. What we like. This is not just a water table, it's an inflatable water bouncer with a climbing wall, slides, and a splash pool. It also features a surprise dump bucket. If you are looking for a high-energy, active water play experience, this is the one. It's perfect for kids who love to climb, slide, and splash. What people say. The water table is the perfect height for my 1- and 3-year-old. The kids love the different stations and the bubbles are a huge hit. It is easy to assemble and the kids love it. Number 1. Best Choice Kids Sand and Water Table. Introducing the perfect outdoor play set for kids. This 2-in-1 design brings the beach to your backyard, providing hours of fun for children aged 3 to 7. It comes with 18 accessories, including toys for both water and sand play. This set has everything your child needs for a day of creative fun. The water tower with buckets, wheels, and slides allows your child to explore the movement of water. They will learn while they play. With included tools like buckets and molds, your child can enjoy a sandcastle contest right in their backyard. The possibilities are endless. The adjustable umbrella provides shade as your little one grows. It's easy to adjust, ensuring they stay cool and protected while they play. What we like. This activity table offers both sand and water play, with a variety of accessories and an adjustable umbrella. It's designed to keep kids engaged with different play options. If you like a versatile playset that offers both water and sand fun, this is a great choice. It's perfect for kids who enjoy a variety of activities and need sun protection. What people say. Everything about the toy was as advertised, from the size to sturdiness and ease of assembly. My granddaughter has gotten hours and hours of play with this little sandbox. It's small enough to be moved easily. Also, the little umbrella that comes with it is nice. It keeps my toddler entertained for a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.